Age before beauty.
Senior first.
You've been acting on television much before I started acting in movies, so go ahead. I would answer blowing up, you could answer the rest. I think a film critic who gives a bad review, I'm sure there must be something below your check. I have read a couple of your reviews.
I hope you read yours, the ones I wrote about you.
I think my favorite target would be my co-actors who cut my scenes and my lines, and on the edit cut my scenes further.
First of all, I didn't cut your scenes or your lines. Let me just
try to show their weight, throw around their weight of being a senior, and also the directors who agree to them.
Let me just be very clear. I didn't cut any of your lines. I didn't cut any of your scenes. You didn't have any scenes to start with. मेरे कोई scenes काटे हैं? नहीं actually. I don't think nowadays we live in a situation where जहाँ co-actors dominate करते हैं और scenes काटते हैं और actually no, because I've been part of many multi-starers and I've worked with a lot of senior actors, चाहे वो संजय दत्त हो, अजय हो, अक्षय हो, Sunil Shetty हो, you know, and they have been more than kind towards. Because क्या होता है कि I think जब एक script बनती है और जब भी आप किसी का scene काटो, you are damaging the product, and I think we've stopped doing that. See, I feel that yes, I mean he does have a point in what he's trying to say. I can understand where he's coming from, but I guess this extremist feeling is in the mindset, and that feeling within our mindset needs to be eradicated. I feel for any kind of harmony within relationships of within our country or for that matter neighboring countries or world over. And I also I also think that, you know, when we talk about countries as large as India, yes, largely we are a peace-loving nation, but eventually there will be some people who will think of taking advantage of a situation in their benefit and try to create chaos so that they get a certain kind of attention. And that is sad, and that is likely to happen throughout, you know. It's how we as a society control that and overpower it. That's about it. I hope in an ideal situation such feelings get eradicated. You know, I didn't know Karan was a critic when I heard the narration.
Thank goodness.
No, really, I didn't know because I heard Ritesh call me. I'm sending Karan and he's wants to narrate a story to you. So he came with Puneet, the writer of the film. Both of them written the film, and they narrated the story. I liked it, and then I called up Ritesh and I really liked the film. Then we met, and so he said, you know, I said, is it his first film? He said, yes, but he's also been a critic with Mumbai Mirror, and I had no idea. No. In fact, when Jinilia came on sets in Poland, she said, "Oh, so he's a film critic. I'm sure he must have thrashed your films." I don't know why she said, "I'm sure that he must have thrashed your film." But then he said, "Why don't you read Grand Masti's review?" I said that would be a right example, and he did like the film, so I liked him even more because his pulse was with the audience.
Yeah. Also, I must say, and I must say this in as public a forum as possible, Ritesh is nothing like his movies. Nothing like the movies.
The bomb doesn't agree
with you. Was that a lie detector? Was that like a
Did you trigger that?
Sorry. Okay. You know, the last time I blew a bomb was during Diwali. I'll tell you my experience. No, it's a very unique experience. I'll say in Hindi because there are certain cameras here. मेरे गांव में आंगन पर हम लोग जो उसकी फर्श है वो गोबर से बनाते हैं और रोज़ सुबह उसको गोबर और गौमूत्र से उसका in Marathi it's called सारवणे. I don't know, and a lot of Maharashtrians will know here. और दिवाली के वक्त they used to make these gods out of gobar and big ones. पूजा करके पुजारी चले जाता था, फिर दोपहर के हम आके उसमें बॉम्ब्स लगाकर we used to blast them all over the ceiling. और ये कोशिश होती थी कि ये ऊपर टच होगा कि नहीं. So that was the last bomb blast I was involved in.
और जब मैं कोई भी फिल्म चूज़ करता हूँ, वन ऑफ द क्राइटेरिया इज़ ऑलवेज कि क्या इस कैरेक्टर में मैं कुछ ऐसा कर पाऊँगा कि जो लिखा हुआ है और जो डायरेक्टर ने सोचा हुआ है उससे थोड़ा मैं इसमें कुछ बेटर कर पाऊँगा. और जब मैं सेट पर परफॉर्म करूँ तो घर जाके ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए आज कुछ काम ही नहीं किया है, लगना चाहिए आज मेहनत करके आए हों और अच्छी नीयत आए. तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कीप ट्राइंग समथिंग न्यू, समथिंग डिफरेंट. It keeps your creative buds always alive. Thank you, Sunayani.
Thank you so much for coming and spending a lovely afternoon with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.